Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about replacing the AC vent. I've had a few customers give me a call saying that, the vent is broken, they want to replace it. How can you replace it to save money? I told them it's very simple. Before we start on this fun little project, let's talk about you guys subscribing so you guys can save some money. Also, don't forget to pound those videos that you like and love so much. And if you guys see anything and you want me to do it for you guys, or you have any questions or a video I haven't done, guys, leave me a comment at the bottom. So now let's jump in about replacing the vent. I do have a Freightliner Cascadia, a 2019. Now this should be about the same on pretty much the Freightliner Cascadias 15 and up. I like using the tool that, you've seen them on the cars where you got to pull out the little plastic tab. The reason why I like it is because it has this little angle to get behind the vent and then I can pry. You can do it with a flathead screwdriver. I can show you guys both, and that is it. Little wiggling, take your time, and that thing will pop right out, and then you put the new one in and you just push it in. It's very simple. And this is how you guys can save money and not have to go to the shop to get it done and pay that hour minimum of $200 or $100 something. You guys can do it yourself. Let's hop in this truck. Let me show you guys how to save some money. All right guys, so I'm gonna replace this vent. As you can see, it's not broken, but I know you guys have called me before how to replace the vent because they are. I'm gonna use my tool, go from underneath. All you gotta do is just pry out a little, right? Once you get it going, hold on the top piece, and that's the reason why I like this. See how I can use right here on the angle and just push it all the way around. Take your time, and look, popped out just like so. Very easy. It's gonna fight you right about here. Don't freak out, just pull at an angle, because all it is just a little bit of that foam stuffing, right? And once you get the new one, just remember how it goes in. Not like this, but remember how it gets orientated, right? So that went in like this, it came out like this, you're gonna put it in back the same way. Just work it in. The new seal is gonna work just like this, a little tight. See how easy that was? And then take top and bottom and push. That easy. And that's how you save some money. All right guys, so a quick recap to save some money by replacing your own AC vent. Remember, this is a tool that I like and love just because it has a little angle for the prying. As you guys can see, it was very easy. This is the only tool you need, a little patient, pops right out, pops right in. Can't be any simpler than that. And you guys wouldn't have to pay that over $100 1 hour minimum in the shop by just doing it yourself. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns about what you saw, leave a comment at the bottom. Guys, subscribe. I'm here to save you money.